Using a dry powder inhaler is extremely simple. It requires the person to breathe in hard, so is only suitable for older children and adults. To use the inhaler, you need to load it. The tape inhaler and the twist inhaler are loaded by twisting. The accuhaler, aerolizer, and ellipter are loaded by clicking the levers.
Breathe out without the inhaler in the mouth so the dry powder inside the device does not get wet. Then, when your lungs are completely empty, put it in your mouth with the lips tightly sealed and your tongue out of the way. Take a strong, deep breath in until your lungs are completely full, and then hold your breath for 10 seconds. Easy.